Welcome to Volatility 411 for Equity Armor Investments. I am Joe Tigay. We're seeing another 2% rally in the market today. We're seeing another fall in the VIX today. So just want to keep us on track of where we were. Now, when we started the cycle for the month of May, when May became the front month future, it was at 33.5. It raced up to 41. Now we're back below 33. So a lot of movement in that May future, and the VIX is now below the May future, and June is now above May. So the front 2 months are at least in contango for now. So certainly that's a sign a little bit of normalcy. However, the VIX above 30 and the future certainly above 30 is not very normal for the VIX. It's certainly a sign that we're expecting some volatility in the short term. Now, going back a month ago when the market was on its low, it's easy to say in hindsight that things weren't as bad as they seem. Now, given the fact we've had this tremendous rally, we've seen this 2/3 retracement from the high to the low. Are we going to look back a month from now and say maybe things aren't as good as they seem? Yes, these earnings are coming out okay. The stocks are being rewarded for I'm not sure what, but stocks are certainly given the benefit of the doubt for this quarter and the second quarter earnings. We're just expecting 2021, 2022. Can we see a path forward when this crisis abides? So that's what the stock market is looking at. For me, I think the concerns are twofold. Of course, we have the election coming up. We know that's going to cause some volatility, but we also have the secondary effects to this financial crisis. Like in 2009 and 2010, when the European countries are having to restructure their debt, every time Cyprus and Greece and Italy come to mind, there was another volatile event. Domestically, there might be a similar situation. Think about states that were already in trouble with their debt heading into this situation. Think like Illinois, Connecticut. They're going to have to restructure their debt. There's going to be potential bankruptcies coming out. Is that going to cause financial stress the way it did then? I think it's possible. Anyways, as a VIX trader, I'm looking out for all possible outcomes. Under the surface, skew is back up right now. We're at 128, so certainly a sign people are paying a little bit more for puts. VVIX way down, 115. Still higher than 100. Usually 100 is where I would say people are concerned, but 115 for the vol of the vol. That's on the low end considering the future is at 32. For Equity Armor Investments, I am Joe Tigay.